Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to manage your specialist in career mode. In the beginning, let's enter your challenge career, and now press R1 button to go to specialists. Here you can manage your manufacturing expert, wind tunnel engineer, power unit consultant, material fabrication planner, quality assurance tester, and strategy analyst. The more races you win and the higher ranking you've got, the more specialists you can unlock. Each specialist gives you some perks. You can level up specialists and check their level once you've unlocked them. Next, you can select goal. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.